Hello friends, this is iPhone 6s and this comes in dead conditions. And let's check it, and it consumes voltage and ampere both. So this is sorting, and it's called the before sort. So without any press key, it consumes ampere and voltage. So let's check in where it's sort. The sort is in PCC main. So let's check it where is PCC main supply goes, and this is PCC main supply, this, and it goes over all board, and this section, network section, and this section, and this section also around CPU, and this section, this is Wi-Fi section. It goes overall, almost overall board, and this is highlighted red area. All supply are BCC main highlighted area. So we need to find sort where it's sort, and let's inject voltage 4.2, and ampere should be 5 m 5 volt and 5 ampere, and let's inject voltage to BCC main to find sort where it's sort. So let's see. We are injecting voltage, and yes, there is sorting. Find this component is heating, and this component is short, and this is Wi-Fi section, this is capacitor. Short is removed, and let's check the phone is working or not. And the phone is working. You can see also the Apple logo, and phone is being start, and okay, the phone is working fine, all is working, done.